What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple pork recipe. It's so easy, straight to the point, and the outcome is very yummy. So all these ingredients I'm using, they're locally available and very easy to find. So let's get cooking. So I'm going to be using 2 tomatoes, 2 large onions, a bunch of coriander, and I'm going to be using around 6 cloves of garlic. I'm using about half a kg of pork, which I bought from my local butchery. Add your pork in the pan and sear until golden brown. I'm not going to be adding any fat because my pork is fatty. So I'll let this cook for a minute or so. Make sure to stir the meat as it cooks. After stirring for about a minute, you'll notice that the meat now produces its own water. So I'll let this cook as I prepare my vegetables. I'm using 2 onions because I like my pork with a lot of onions. I don't know about you, but you can add 1 or you can even add more. Look how lovely my pork is looking. As you can see now, at this point, the pork has started to produce its own fat. That is why I didn't add cooking oil. We'll continue to stir this as we prep our vegetables. So don't let it burn. We just want that golden brown color. I reduced my flame from medium high to medium low because I wanted my meat to cook through. I'll let it cook for another 2 minutes, then I'll add my onions. So I have 6 cloves of garlic, so I'll roughly chop it, then I'll mince. So now I'm going to add my onions to the meat. Stir and let this cook until the onions are soft. As my onions cook, I'm going to be chopping my tomatoes. At this point, you'd be tempted to eat the pork, trust me. So my onions are soft, so I'm going to add garlic and let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll season my pork with half a teaspoon of salt. Stir. Now I'll add my tomatoes. stir. I'll let this cook until the tomatoes cook through. I'll chop my coriander as the tomatoes cook. So I'm loving how my pork is looking at this point. So what I'll do, I'll check the seasoning. So I'll need to add more seasoning. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So I'll add about another half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'll stir. So now I'll garnish my pork with coriander, and then I'll stir. Look at how yummy my pork is looking. So this is what we call dry fry, and I love the outcome. And this is a beautiful plate of yumminess. I actually love how it's looking, so I'm going to give this a try. So here we go. This is so amazing. The pork is so tender, and the crunch from the outside, I mean, it's so good. It's not crunchy, it's not soft, it is just there in between. And the garlic brings out that amazing taste of garlic. You can tag us at Instagram at Infoods_special and show me how your pork turned out. So also, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also you can comment down below. So I hope you all try out this recipe. Ciao.